Oh my god. Oh my god. My hair is gonna be rolling now. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey. Oh my god, nasisira pa yung ano. She's laughing. Nasisira pa yung buhok ko nito. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's me again, Melay. So for today's video guys is mag-unboxing tayo guys nang galing sa Shein na order. So, eto. I-unbox natin to. So, ayan. Shein to guys. So, ang gagawin natin guys is mag-unbox. I-share ko sa inyo kung anong laman nito guys. Actually, I don't know. I don't know yet. Eto lang na. So, oh, this one. So, let's check. What is this? So, magpa-flight na kasi ako, guys. Oh, nice! Wow! This is so nice. I like this. Ah! Ang ganda niyo, guys. Hi! Wow, so nice! My God, I like this. Nice siya. So, Shein to nag-sale sila guys. Actually, ang regular price niya is like 70 real. Then, nag-sale siya like 40 na lang siya. Yes. So, next natin pala. Balik pala natin to guys. So, pang ano kasi, pang ano guys, pang travel. Pang travel natin to guys. Next is, this one, ano kaya to? Pants, parang pants to. So, this pants guys. Ooh, oh my god, I don't like it. Stretchable siya, para siyang, ayoko siya. Sobrang stretchable niya, guys. Ang laki sa akin. Pero, let's try natin siya, guys. But, let's see. Sana maganda siya. So, yan. So, jeans. Actually, gano'n nga ba to? Like, 50 siya. 50 real ata. Tapos, nag-sale siya. Naging 29 na lang siya. So, pang flight. So, this is what I really love. This guys, naka-open na siya. So, ito naman is, ano lang guys. O, parang, may clip pa siya. May free siyang clip. May, ano guys. Ewan ko para saan to. Hindi ko alam. Basta ito. Tapos, Type-C pala yung charger niya. The charger guys. Ito yung laman sa box na to. Ano pang iba? This one. Saan to? Okay. Instruction kung paano gagamitin daw ito guys. Ganda siya. Nakabalot. Pero naka-open yung box. Hindi safety yung box kasi hindi siya naka-bubble wrap. Oh, ganito siya guys. Pero I don't know how to.
You have to charge.
May I see if we need to charge it. We need to charge it. Try natin mag-charge guys kung mag-charge siya. 5 volts. So may naririnig kayong bata guys no. Kasi may kasama talaga ako ditong bata na nanood sa akin habang gumagawa ng vlog. Pero soon as pasensya na guys. Oh, it's charging. Look. And then let's see. Oh, how to start it? I don't know. May I see? Wait.
Please don't put that on. Please.
She's teaching me. She's teaching me how to use it. How to use a curler. Said, put like this. Let's try. Put like this.
I'm gonna touch your nose. Please.
What? Itong batang to, nagtuturo pa sa akin. Eh, ako nga, di ko alam.
This is what your hair curly?
Yes, my dear. Yes. Let's let your hair. It's make my hair curly. I don't know how. Actually, I don't know how. I'll need
Maybe you have to press the big button.
big button. Wait, sorry.
Try to.
Big button. Okay, try to big button. But maybe we need to. But it's charging already, right? It charged.
Maybe you have to open it and you put small batteries.
Small batteries. There's no small batteries. It's only chargeable, Yahilwa. Only chargeable, you know. Look, it's need to
Why
charge.
is not working?
It's not working. Maybe it's low bat. I don't know. But let's check later what happened to this.
Maybe it's not finished charging. What did that sound?
Ensure hair is fully dried before use. Press and hold power on and off for 2 seconds and turn on appliances. 2 seconds. You mean I need to press this one? 1, 2. Done. And then note to turn off, press and hold power on and off for 2 seconds. If you forget to turn the appliance off, it will shut itself off automatically after 5 minutes of inactivate. But I don't know how is it. How is it working? Maybe we need to be full this one, I think.
I told you first.
What?
You have to fall back.
Full batteries, full charge. Because this one is not, what's that? It's not batteries. You need to charge it. So we need to charge. So guys, charge muna natin. Baka, ano lang. Baka hindi lang siya full.
And if you didn't work it, you will, I know you will throw it in the bin.
I know, of course. I don't throw it in the bin, my dear. Oh, this one. Wait. See? We're 50.
Ah,
it's working. Wait. Try again. Try again. Let's see. How? From here, from down, I think. I don't know. Wait. I think from here.
you're funny.
I'm funny. And let's see. How to release this one? Oh my god, it's gonna be ruin my hair now. Oh my god, I can't. Then what happened? I need to release my hair. Oh my god, it's hot, Diana. Kev, teach me how. Oh my god, patuturo pa talaga sa bata, bay. Oh
You have to let it stop. It's curly.
I don't know, it's curly? No, it's curly, my dear.
Yeah,
look.
it's curly.
Ooh.
How did you learn it?
I'm just putting down. I'm just putting this one here.
How did you know?
Actually, I don't know.
My hair is curly.
Yes, it's curly. Look. Ooh, this is nice. So fun.
It's more curly.
Let's try again.
You know, me too. I have like yours.
Yeah, you're already curly, so you don't need this. But me, I have straight hair, so I need this. Whoa, it's too easy, you know? It's too easy, but it's too hard. It's too easy, it's too hard. Ano ba talaga yung totoo, Melay? But
Too
yeah.
hot. You mean.
Hot. But wow, it's nice. Look, Diana, it's so nice, you know.
Like mine?
Yeah, like yours, but wait, I'll check again.
Mine is coming to my face. The one to your hair is coming to your face.
Oh, ganyan lang siya.
You know my hair. You know my.
I'm beautiful now?
Yeah, you know my hair is almost coming to my face.
Your face? Your face. Your hair?
Then I'll roll.
Roll. What's that? Your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Great.
Then I will slip with my hair. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Sorry. you're not allowed. But then your mom can see this. But then, oh, galing niya. Oh, ganyan lang pala siya. Tapos, bitawan mo pagkatapos. Oh, so kailangan ko lang talagang mag-learn paano siya gamitin, guys. But it's actually, it's so, yeah, maybe kailangan ko munang mag-ano, guys. Ayusin ko muna kung paano. Pero I like this. Really. Kasi, easy lang siya. Ganun lang. Please. So, now I know. So, kailangan mo lang pala dito galing sa taas. Yan. Tapos, start. And it's gonna be curly. Oh. And then, yung start. Oh my God. Oh my God. My hair is gonna be ruined now. Wait. Hey. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey. Oh my God. Nasisira pa yung ano ko. She's laughing with me. Nasisira pa yung buhok ko nito. Kailangan ko talagang estudyuhan to, guys. Paano to gamitin? Pero naaaliw ako dito. Naaaliw talaga ako dito, guys. Low ba? Timer. Time.
Time is done?
I don't know. If the time is done, I don't know. I think it's not done, this one yet. But, yan, bili ka pa. Tapos di mo naman alam paano gamitin. Nasisira pa yung buhok natin ito, guys. Kaartehan talaga ng buhay. Ayun na, oh. Hey, hide! You're not allowed! You're not allowed! Oh my God, hide! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh. So, pero ang ganda ng ano niya. You're not allowed, you, my dear. So, yun lang, guys. Hanggang dito na lang itong vlog na ko. Itong vlog ko pala, guys. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit mo na din yung bell notification dyan sa baba, guys, para updated kayo sa mga videos ko pang gagawin, guys. Bye-bye.